Babes, it's a self-care day. Go get your cups, go get your water, get your favorite face mask, get your tweezers. We're gonna get ready today. Hello, welcome to today's video. We are going to do a little face mask. I do my nails. I'm also going to attempt to do my brows today because we're heading off to Texas tomorrow morning. I wanna look good. So let's put on our clips real quick. Oh, excuse me. So I think I'm gonna start with this one. So I'm on my period at the moment and I do not feel well, which is why I want to have a little self-care day before we head out, because I just got my period and I'm not in the best mood. And with PCOS, I didn't get it last month. Oh shit. Which is why I was like, oh okay, well at least it came this month. But with PCOS, it's really normal for me to not get it every month, but it's been consistent prior to last month. It was consistent for about like 2 months, I think. And the reason was because I was drinking a lot of water. So I don't know what happened and why I stopped doing that, but I'm gonna start doing it again, which is why I have my big old water jug over here. And I actually have these mason jars linked in my Amazon storefront because they come in handy and they just feel super aesthetic when I'm drinking out of them. I just makes me want to drink more water. I don't know why. I've seen that the Stanley cups that all the girlies are using now. And I really don't want to fall under the trend, but I also really want one. This spatula comes so handy. Let me grab a mirror, hold on. Added some more lighting because it was kind of dark, but here we go. I'm a little sad. I kind of wanted to talk about this because yesterday I was kind of freaking out about my hair. One of the symptoms of PCOS is hair loss or hair thinning. Even just this week I've noticed that a lot of my hair on this side is kind of thinning out. I don't know when it started, but I noticed it yesterday a little bit more than usual. I oiled my hair yesterday and I actually just don't I don't want my hair to be thinning out. It's kind of sad because I used to have really long thick hair when I was younger, but the older that I get I've noticed that it's getting thin and it makes me sad. And I think this mask is good. I love this mask so much. I have it linked in my storefront también. I got y'all. Everything's linked. Don't worry about it. There's no gatekeeping here. This mask is so good because it feels so fresh when you put it on. Like it just feels like you're putting ice on your face because it's so refreshing. All right, so the mask is on. We're gonna let that sit for, I think it's 20 minutes. So I gotta set a timer for 20 minutes and then I'll check back in with y'all. Actually, while that's going, we're gonna do our nails. Let's go do our nails.
The church that I sing. The Pentecostal movement, but really modern night worship. That was when they really, my parents were a bit scared. I saw Hillsong come to front. They had a former chance, helped bring about Hillsong worship music. Very much tuned into the story for the theatre in 2018 on Hillsong. But I started looking into it, and they can kind of wide and earns $100 million a year.
It was definitely more than 20 minutes, but there's so much left on this side. The nails are done, and we're gonna get started on brows because the brows are ready to get plucked. We're gonna do that today. Get them nice and clean and Yo, that Hillsong documentary that they did, I don't know. No comment about any of it right now because I'm just as shook about it. I don't know what the... That's crazy. Let me just set up to do our brows. Now I'm just gonna put on some skincare. I just got these from Octoly. So this is, there you go. This is the Fresh Age Rewind Cream, and I'm using the Paula's Choice retinol cream. I think I might do this one and then I'll do this one. So that, because I guess that one's kind of like a moisturizer, but this is like a treatment. So let's do that. And I just got a new robe. I just got this robe for Christmas and it's so comfy. Oh my god. I've been wanting a robe for so long and I finally got it. Age Rewind cream. I keep these in my fridge because I like it when it's cold. And ooh, it feels so good. I literally just wanted to make this video because obviously, like I mentioned, I'm on my period. But I've been in kind of, not a funk, but after Vlogmas, I don't know how to get back up. I've taken like a break and I feel like I lost my touch a little bit, but like beating myself up about it. This is for your neck too, so let's put out our necks. After Vlogmas, it just kind of, I went into hermit mode a little bit and I've been focusing more on my workouts, which is why that's what I've been mostly posting. Because one thing about me is that I make my life the content. The time has come to do the brows. Let's get into it. Okay. I want to do like the laminated look, but I only got tweezers, brow gel, and some concealer. So let's just start there. So I guess I'll just start with brushing up my brows and seeing what it looks like already and creating from there. So just using a concealer. I'm so nervous. It's been so long. I'm just gonna try to follow the natural shape of my brow. Actually, we're gonna need white. Give me a second. Use this one right here. Just go in with an alcohol wipe. Same thing, grabbing the paintbrush, trying to get the lightest shade so I can see what I'm doing. Ah, can't see what I'm doing. I can't see what I'm doing. Okay, hold on. Let me just build my brows because I want to see what they look like laminated. Yeah, okay. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So now I'm just gonna, if I had a wax, I couldn't, that's what I was supposed to get the other day and I completely forgot. But if I had a wax, I'd be done in like 2 seconds. No, I don't know, should I? No, I don't know what it's gonna do to my skin. I just put a mask on it. All right, let's pluck away. Here we go. This is painful. It is so painful, but pain is beauty, babe. Pain is beauty. Look at that. It already has pelitos on it. Do you see that? Oh god. Currently watching or rewatching Pretty Little Liars because it's on Hulu. I just wanted to see for myself why I was so invested into that show because I was invested in that show. If you were invested in that show, and I'm using the ELF spatula because I feel like it's the one that works the best. And then here, we're just gonna swoop them down so that it stays nice and neat on top. But yeah, I think that's pretty much the gist of the brows. I really like them. I really like them. I'm just gonna fill them in and see how it looks when I fill them in. Yay! I love it. It looks so good. Okay. Same thing on the other side. I'm just focusing on the bottom, like right here where it's sparse. It's a yes for me. These came out perfect. I'll get better. I'll get better. I wanna, since I'm not really at the budget where I'm able to go get my brows done, I have to learn how to do them myself. So brows are done. Nails are done. I don't know if you can see the nails. Look at the nails. Put some chrome on them. and it's like a light baby pink. Nail polish, it's like a baby pink color, and it's in 1, 2, 3. This color is so cute. I love them. The things I wanted to get done was my brows, my face, little face mask, and my nails, and we got to do all 3. So that's pretty much a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it felt like we were getting, I hope that you guys were also doing your little self-care too, your little self-care night. It's definitely something different out of my comfort zone, but it kind of felt like we were on FaceTime, and we were doing our little girly night things together. I'm going over the brows because they're a little red, but I love them. They look so good. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.